Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be unboxing a Sony headset. This is Sony ULT Wear, which is a bass boosted headset from Sony, and it is a mid-range headset. It's around 450 dirhams in Amazon, and if you want to buy it with uh, some discounts, you can apply your credit cards. But yeah, there are some offers going on, so I got it for 450 dirham, which is close to $150. And this is a mid variant between the XM4 and XM5. XM5 is the flagship one. So as you can see, I ordered it from amazon.ae and it arrived in a day. So let's go ahead and unbox it. It's inside another box, so this would actually be the question from I'm going to say another color and in a box. You have to open this as well. Is not having a bubble wrap. That's we expected a bubble wrap, but that's okay. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the new Sony ULT Wear, which is a bass boosted headset, and it's a new forest gray color, and it's mentioned here as 50 hours of battery backup without ANC or the noise cancellation. So if you turn on noise cancellation, the official documentation says it's there for 30 hours. All right. Typically there used to be a seal here for all the Sony headset. I'm not sure why there's no seal, but that's okay. I don't see any tampering or it's not refurbished. It's a new headset. As you can see, there are some specifications mentioned here. So inside I should be finding a case, audio connector, and a type A to type C connector. So let's go ahead and open it, guys. This is how we open it, and I can see there is I think this is to download the app. Yes, this is to download the app, and this is some 5% off on something. Okay, sonyworld.ae. I can purchase something from Sony again with a 5% off. All right, here we go. If you can see here, it has a 360-degree ambient reality audio and 30 hours of battery backup with noise cancellation and multi-point connectivity. That is, it can be connected to two devices at the same time. So yeah, let's open it. Here we go. All right, I can just pull this. I think it's upside down, so this is how we flip it. How do I open this? Okay, I think it's from here. So yeah, open this, and here we go. This is the new headset. So as you can see here, this we have to just download the app, we have to turn it on, and it should be connected. So this is the case itself. It is it looks premium. It has the Sony logo here, and it's a nice nice case here. It's a premium case and it's a hard case, so it's really good for travel, and it's compact, so you can carry it anywhere along with you. It has this free music trial, and it has the guide. So this is the guide here. We can keep back the guide, we can keep the free trial, and these QR codes here. Let's keep these aside. Let's open this up. So right, this is the headset itself. Wow, it looks amazing. The color, I personally like this forest gray. It's different. It doesn't look gray for me. It looks a bit of a green, but yeah, this is really good. I see the cushion is really soft. I heard that this is from recycled plastic, but it's okay. It still feels good, and this is how you unwrap it, and yeah, it feels really good. This is good. All right, let's keep this here, and inside the case we have this audio cable. So this audio cable, we can use it as a wired connectivity. If you can see here, this swindles and it can be folded also to keep it inside the case. We have the noise cancellation mic over here in the sides. I'm really not sure why these vents are here, but yeah, this is the mic. We have I think it's on the, yeah, it's on this side. Where is it indicated? Okay, this is indicated here. So this is the left and this is the right. So we have the buttons on the left side. So as you can see here, the alt button, this is the highlight of this headset. It does have active noise cancellation and other features, the A1 processor here, and it has a lot of codecs. I'm really not sure about the details, but yeah, I'll give a detailed overview, a review about this headset in some time, and I'll publish a new video. But as you can see here, this is the alt mode. It has two modes of bass, which boosts your bass with the processor, and it gives you a good boost with the bass of all the music. And yeah, if you're a bass head, this will be really nice. And we have the audio cable connectivity here. It has a type C connector for charging. It does not have audio connectivity on the type C, but yeah, this is just for charging. We have the power on button, we have the noise cancellation ambient modes here. Yeah, that's it. It's pretty simple, but it looks premium, although it's a bit of more of plastic. But yeah, it does feel good and it's compact. Thanks for watching. Please encourage us by subscribing for more interesting videos like this. Also, do like, share, and comment your thoughts. Thank you.